name is Daphne Costa, and I am the middle school math and science teacher for St. Teresa of Calcutta, along with lead teacher. I've been working with Fill in the Gaps math for about a couple of months. We started later in the school year, so February of 2023. And the results that I have seen are phenomenal. Our standardized testing that we use is NWEA for MAP testing, and they scored really high, higher than they have before, and a lot of them say it was due to filling in the gaps.
We started using Fill in the Math Gaps about February of 2023, and all of us as a class, collectively loved doing it because we felt that we could learn a lot from it. I saw a lot of results in my grades after starting the program, especially in the NWEA standardized testing that we do. I went up by 13 points from the winter to the spring just from using the think tank Fill in the Math Gaps. My favorite aspect would probably be the videos, because not only do you get to understand topics that you wouldn't have known when you were taking the test, it boosts my confidence.
I wanted to use this program, and the reason why is I wanted to fill in gaps of students. The students find the videos relatable, they like the videos, I like it, they like it much better than iExcel. I've used iExcel in the past, Edpuzzle, Khan Academy, Prodigy. They find that they can relate to the videos. So I don't think there would be anything to make it better. In my opinion, I've seen such huge growth.